1142. One of the most easily recognized discontinuities across a front is A. A change in temperature. B. An increase in cloud coverage. C. An increase in relative humidity. The correct answer is A. Fronts are the boundaries between different air masses, and as air masses have different properties, such as temperature, humidity, and density, there is a distinct discontinuity between them. Temperature changes are typically the most easily recognizable of these discontinuities across a front, as they can be detected both by weather instruments and by observing changes in the environment, such as changes in cloud formations or wind patterns. 1143. One weather phenomenon which will always occur when flying across a front is a change in the A. Wind direction. B. Type of precipitation. C. Stability of the air mass. The correct answer is A. When flying across a front, the wind direction will change. This change in wind direction is due to the horizontal pressure gradient force being parallel to the front, which causes the wind to blow perpendicular to the front on either side. The amount of change in wind direction and speed will depend on the type of front and the speed of the front's movement. 1144. Which type of weather phenomenon that may concern a remote pilot is common among cold fronts? A. Long-term periods of reduced visibility. B. Long periods of steady precipitation. C. Thunderstorms and heavy rain. The correct answer is C. Cold fronts are characterized by rapidly advancing cold air that displaces warm air ahead of it, which can lead to instability and the formation of thunderstorms. These thunderstorms can be associated with heavy rain, strong winds, hail, and tornadoes, making them potentially hazardous to unmanned aircraft operations. Remote pilots should be aware of the potential for severe weather when flying across a cold front and avoid operations in these conditions if possible. 1286. What weather provides the best flying conditions? A. Warm, moist air. B. Cool, dry air. C. Turbulence. The correct answer is B. Cool, dry air is generally considered the best flying conditions because it provides stable atmospheric conditions, which lead to fewer instances of turbulence and clear visibility. Warm, moist air can be more unstable, leading to thunderstorms and other weather phenomena that can be hazardous to flying. Turbulence is also not considered good flying conditions, as it can be uncomfortable for passengers and can potentially damage the aircraft. 1277. The zone between different temperature, humidity, and wind is called A. A front. B. An air mass. C. Wind shear. The correct answer is A. A front refers to the boundary or transition zone between two air masses of different temperature, humidity, or wind direction. Fronts can be classified as warm, cold, stationary, and occluded based on the characteristics of the air masses they separate.